Can you see me?
Yes, now. So, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm well. Thank you for asking me. So, how's your day going on?
It's great.
Okay, okay, nice to hear that. So, would you like to introduce yourself because we are connecting for the first time?
Yes, of course. My name is Tanishka. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard, and my hobbies are to reading, stories, and I like to play with my ball, and I like to do conversation with people, and I like to play with my sister business game and Uno. And it's my channel on YouTube and it's Shri Tanishka. So, can you tell about yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, of course. Nice to hear that first of all. And even I have already visited your channel and I have seen some of your videos with co-learner and you spoke really well. You speak really well. Yeah. So yes,
Yeah.
of course, I love to introduce myself. So my name is Ruby and I'm connecting with you from Ghaziabad in the city of Uttar Pradesh. And speaking about my qualification, I have done post-graduation and B.Ed as well. And speaking about my hobbies, so nowadays I'm learning this beautiful language. So I love to talk with strangers. I'm in co-learner. That's all about from my side. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So
So,
yeah. Yeah, I want to ask you first of all, when did you start learning this language? Because you are so young. And why you want to learn this language? You are passionate for learning this language. What is your main motive, main motto?
I learned from 6 months this language,
Okay,
and
six
my mother
months.
and my mother motivate me.
Okay, your mother. What does she do? Your mother.
She makes my videos and upload on YouTube.
Okay. No, no, I'm asking like profession. She is doing any job. Your
She
mother.
is not doing she is not doing job. She is just making my videos and uploading on YouTube.
Okay, she helps you
Yes.
managing your YouTube channel. Okay, 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 okay. That's super. That's super. And which kind of content are you consuming, especially for learning this language? You told me you love reading books, like story books. And apart from reading books, which type of content are you consuming? Do you consume any content?
Yes, I practice my English like when I go to outside, I speak with shopkeepers. And in medical, when I want to buy something, then I speak with them. And then I speak with my sister in English when we are playing or anything. And I speak with my friends. And in school, I speak with my teachers when I have a doubt in studies. And I speak with my cousin also in English. And sometimes me and my sister, my mother give me and my sister one topic. Then me and my sister discuss in that. Then I speak daily also, and I speak daily in the conversation. Also, I do daily conversation and how I just practice English.
Okay, okay. So I was asking that do you consume any content on YouTube? Are you consuming or not? Like a lot of people that are consuming such a good content on YouTube, like stories, cartoons, conversational videos. So do you watch this kind of content apart from observation? I know about
Yeah.
you already share. You talk with your friends, your family members, and shopkeepers. Apart from that,
Yes, I see content also in English. My mother said you have to see in English only. Like I see like a Sudhamurti stories and
oh,
Sudhamurti stories
okay,
and Krishna in English and Ganpatis and Jungle Book. And sometimes I watch movies also, but only sometimes, not daily.
okay, okay. So do you watch the Murthy's story on YouTube? Because there is a channel on YouTube like a Murthy Media. Do you watch that channel?
Yes, I watched that channel, Murthy Media.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, even I sometimes I also watch that channel. Yeah, for learning this language, especially. So that's why I'm
Yes.
asking to you. Okay.
Yes. I
Okay.
like that very much. And before the conversation, I see some videos also of Sudha Murthy.
Sudha Murthy, ma'am. She's a respectable lady, na, so we can say. Okay, so sometimes you watch her, I mean to say speeches over YouTube channel, on YouTube channel. Sometimes you watch.
No, not just speeches. I see stories like Murthy Media stories.
Okay,
It's
Murthy, okay.
stories.
Yeah, I know about. So I have a question here. You know about for learning this language, vocabularies are plays really crucial role. So how do you work, especially for vocabulary? Because you know about vocabularies are also very important for learning this language. If we have a hands-on vocabulary, so you can easily speak to someone. Otherwise, we get stuck here and there. So how would you work, especially vocabulary?
We have to learn the vocabulary. First, we have to learn a words. Then we can speak big big sentences. Then we can fluent in English. First, we have to learn step by step. Then we can learn the English. And we have to
Okay.
reading also. And sometimes I do like I read the stories and write in my own language.
Okay, that's mind blowing. Okay,
Yes,
so that's how you can easily manage all the things. So, do
yes.
you nowadays you are focusing on grammar separately? Do you focus because you know what grammar is also play a really crucial role here and there. So, do you focus on grammar part separately?
No, I don't focus in grammar part. I focus in English. But I know in grammar like a present tense, past tense, and future tense.
You know about. You have a
Yes,
hands-on knowledge. Do you know about basics?
yes,
Okay, that's super. That's super. And nowadays you're talking to so many of co-learner, so you can easily speak. It's the best
yeah,
method I can.
yes.
Okay,
So can
that's
I ask you
super.
one
That's
question?
yeah, of course you can ask me. You're first of all, you're so cute. So cute.
Thank
Yes.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, you can ask me.
That I want to ask that. Can you tell about your childhood?
Childhood. Like my okay, so childhood so in my childhood I was too shy and innocent girl. When I was in my school, yeah. So hardly I talk with any stranger. I used to afraid talking with stranger. Even these days I also, but nowadays I'm trying to overcome because in future I will do job here and there. And if I afraid talking with strangers, how it will work? So it comes to the childhood, but I love to play with my. I used to play with my friends and my siblings and my like a cousins. I used to play and like I was good. I was moderate in study. I was moderate in study, and I always participated in cultural activity. And I remember one thing when I was in my school, maybe sixth class. So I participated in cultural activity and I won the prize. Yeah, but the worst part is that I didn't have any photograph. Yes, but if I had, so sometime I watch, I saw that picture and I feel really happy. But I didn't have pictures from my childhood. But yeah, my childhood was really bad. Nowadays, I'm missing my childhood. I mean, you are in your childhood nowadays. You are like a play with your friends, play with your sister and your cousins. You know,
Yes.
and you're enjoying. Yes, so much.
How did you learn this language?
Okay, even nowadays I'm also learning. I have been learning this language last maybe couple of months. And earlier days I was really bad. I didn't have any. I was not able to speak single sentence, but now I can speak because nowadays I'm talking with so many of co-learner. And I used to take some classes. You know about English, Yari? You have heard about English, Yari?
Yes, yes,
It's a pet. Okay,
yes. I
yeah.
watched
So I
now
used to take
only before the conversation.
Okay,
Your
okay, okay.
video.
So okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So I used to take classes over there, English Yavi. Nowadays I'm not taking classes. Yes, but nowadays I'm focusing on some consuming such a good content on YouTube, like a podcast, speeches, and conversational videos and stories. I told you, na, sometimes I watch like multimedia stories, short stories. This
Yes.
type of method nowadays I'm trying for learning this language. And I talk with so many co-learners here and there. I'm talking with you is also part of my learning. Yeah, and it's the best method. While
Okay.
communication, while speaking, we can learn gradually. The natural method. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was saying that if I will listen good content, so I will speak good content. Now, so listening play a really crucial role. If you are a good listener, so you can definitely speak well. So
Yes.
listening and speaking both are intermingled, both are interrelated.
Yeah, you
Yes,
are right.
both are. Yes,
Yes.
yeah.
And what do you
So
want to become in your future?
okay, so I want to become a assistant professor. Nowadays, I'm working on it. Yeah, so that's why I'm learning this language. Not that this language will also play a really crucial role for my professional life. Yes, in future. So that's why I'm here. Yeah.
Nice.
So okay.
Which is your
So
favorite
yes,
dish?
my favorite dish. My favorite dish is I love mushroom curry. Yes, but don't
Okay,
ask me.
nice.
I don't know how to cook. How to cook? I don't know. Yes, but I love.
Okay.
Okay.
And my favorite
So
dish is I like to eat a pizza, and I like to eat water balls
okay.
also, and I like to eat fruits, and I like to eat mangoes. Now it's a season of mangoes. It's a seasonal fruit.
So would you like to tell me about your daily routine?
Yes. And first I wake up in the morning, early in the morning. Then I freshen up. Then I had in my then I had a breakfast. In my breakfast, I had today water balls. And after I had some mangoes, then I study. Then I play with my sister. And after the playing sister, I do more the study. I like too much study, and then I do conversation with you right now. Yes, and today I do very much fun, and yes, and I today speak with my mother also in English.
Okay. Okay.
So can you
Nice.
tell about your daily routine, ma'am?
Yeah, of course. Of course I will share. So generally I wake up at 7:30 in the morning and after that I drink one glass of water, lukewarm water, and after that I read book because reading play really crucial role for learning this language. So someone suggested to me, so that's why I read book at least 2 to 3 pages every day. And after reading, I go for a walk on my terrace, otherwise in my corridor. And after that, nowadays I'm at my home. So I prepared breakfast as well as lunch for my family and for me. And after having a lunch, I do some household chores like cooking, not cooking, like mopping and like laundry, this kind of work. And after that, this I'm preparing for competitive examination. So I prepare my notes and syllabus, this kind of work. And after that, you know about it. I have a YouTube channel, and YouTube takes a lot of time, like editing, making thumbnail, this kind of things. It's also time taking process. So I make I edit a video and make a thumbnail. This kind of work I also do. And after that, in this time, usually I take one session these days. Earlier days, I took maybe 2 to 3 sessions, but nowadays I take only one session. And after taking session, I just prepare my whole syllabus, I mean notes, whatever. And after that, again I help my mother for cooking and this kind of things. And after that, I take my dinner with my family. And after taking dinner, I go for just roaming here and there. And after that, I take my phone and browse, just scroll my YouTube, like check my old mails and whatever. And after that, I read again. I read my book, the same page. Again, I just repeat the whole thing. And after that, I express my gratitude towards God, and I set my alarm and go to bed. This is my daily routine nowadays I'm following.
Okay, nice. That.
So maybe we should wind up the session.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
have a
So
great day
okay.
now.
Yeah, yes, yeah. And it was really nice conversation with you. Okay. Bye bye. Have a
Yeah.
great day. Take care, dear.